In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy keys for cases in CSGO 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how you can purchase any keys available for any case in CS2. You will be able to purchase these keys for old cases, new cases, sticker capsules, and so on. All that you have to do is go over to your inventory and in here look for the specific case that you would like to open. Previously, what you had to do is go over to the store, and originally in CSGO, you would just buy them from here as individual items, but nowadays, you just have to click on a case and choose the option to unlock the container. You will then see this little animation where you can see all of the items contained within this case, and at the bottom, you will see this action requires a key. Now, all that you have to do is choose how many keys you would like to purchase and then click on your local currency displayed here. What this is going to do is open the Steam overlay. Now, in here, you just have to proceed and you will be able to reach checkout with the option to purchase the key for your account. So as you can see here, you will be able to locate the item and you will be able to use this key to open the case. Nowadays, keys are not tradable, so keep that in mind. Back then, you would be able to purchase a key and keep it on your inventory, and even though you can do that nowadays, you will not be able to exchange it with other players. So it's just going to sit in your inventory until you decide to open a case. They are not marketable, so remember that. You can find keys on the market, but those are old items, and because they do the exact same thing, it's usually collectors that get them just to have them. So if you want to purchase a key to open a case, this is what you have to do. You will then be able to add funds through any of the available methods on your account and then open the key inside of the game, which I'm not going to do in this video. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy keys for cases in CSGO 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.